Hello again. This explanation is all about how to write these numbers or these questions in decimal notation. So let's have a look what it actually means. If you look at this question here, question A, all of this is written in lowercase letters. It's telling you that it's a decimal fraction, and decimal fractions can very easily be written as decimal numbers. Step number 1, change the words to numbers. 6 above the 6, and this is thousandth. That means it's going to be a decimal fraction, and the denominator is going to be 1,000. Generally, the number that is in front is going to be the numerator, and we're going to put it on top. Don't skip out the step. Write it down. There we go. 6,000th. From here, you apply what I've been doing in the classroom. There are 3 zeros, so I put comma, dash, dash, dash. That means we have to use 3 places behind the comma. The 6 is going to go into last place, and I'm going to fill this up with zeros because these zeros keep that 6 in its place. So my answer is 0,006. My next question, question B, says 13/10. Again, it's all in lowercase. And these letters here also tell you that it's going to be a decimal fraction. I change the words to a number, and I write exactly what it says, and I do exactly the same. This will be the numerator, this is going to be the denominator, and it's going to be 13/10. Now don't panic that it looks a bit odd, just obey the rules, and everything's going to work out just fine. If you look, there is 1 0, therefore we are only allowed to use 1 place behind the comma. That means the 3 will fall on the dash, and the 1 will fall in front of the comma. My answer is 1,3. Question C, I already have it as a decimal fraction, but again I obey the rules. I look how many zeros are there in this decimal fraction. There are 2. So immediately I go comma, dash, dash. This is telling me that I have to use 2 places behind the comma. That means the 7 and the 6 will fall on the dashes, and I put the 0 in front, and I now have 0,76. If we look at this one, again, I obey the rules. Here is 1 0. That means I'm only allowed 1 place behind the comma. That 7 will go behind the comma, and whatever is in front of the fraction will come in front. Answer is 9,7. Again here I have a mixed number fraction. I pay attention to the zeros because 15 over 100 is a decimal fraction. Again, because of the 2 zeros, I'm going to go comma, dash, dash. I have to use 2 places behind the comma. The 15 will come on the dashes, and the 3 is forced in front of the comma. I now have 3,15. My last question, it is 3,124 over 1,000. The rules don't change. I pay attention to the 3 zeros. Immediately I go comma, dash, dash, dash. I have to use all 3 places behind the comma. Therefore 4 will come into last place in the order that it's written on the fraction, and the 3 will come in front. My answer is 3,124. And that's the simplest way that you can do this without making a mistake. Count the zeros of your decimal fractions. This information can be found in my book titled Mom's Math Manual, the website www.momsmathmanual.co.za. Good luck.